Now, you might think that now that Black Friday's over, we're all out of cruise deals, but you'd be wrong because in this first quarter of the year is known as wave season.
So we want to tell you all about wave season, how to maximize the potential deals available to you. I'm Mark,
I'm Monica.
and we've been traveling the world full time since March 2023. In this channel, we love to share with you any way that we can help you save money. Your timing is perfect because wave season is underway. You can get some really pretty amazing discounts, upgrades, exclusive perks. It tends to run from January through March. It depends a little bit by the cruise line. But what is wave season? It's when cruise lines see their biggest bookings on the year. So this tends to be a really competitive time for cruise lines because they know all of you might be looking to book. So as you can imagine, when there's a lot of competition, a lot of people looking to book, they're going to go ahead and put together some of their best deals and promotions. One thing I always like to say is year round, you can get cruise deals. So don't ever think that there's not deals to be had. So many of our videos, we teach you how to find these deals. We're going to put some links down below where we show you some amazing deals on repositioning cruises, hidden gems, last minute cruise deals. There's all kinds of great strategies. There's something for everybody. But what is a big reason to book during wave season?
What's great about wave season is it's not like just the handful of last minute cruise deals that are still out there. It's everything. You have a massive selection of all these upcoming cruises. You can pretty much pick and choose the ones you want, and you have a lot of time to plan.
There's always deals for last minute, but it's very limited many times. What I love about wave season is the fact that anything you want, anything you're looking for is probably going to be offered with some included extra perks and some discounts. Maybe this is the time that you wanted to spring for a smaller ship. You didn't want to go for one of the large ships. Maybe you want to try something that usually is more expensive. This might be the time to do it. Sometimes there's really great deals for my solo travelers out there. Sometimes they'll reduce the single supplements, there'll be dedicated solo cabins, and virtually all of them will be on sale. And there's a lot of bundling of additional perks. It might be onboard credit, it might be onboard beverage packages, free Wi-Fi,
Specialty
a
dining.
lot of really nice things that could be thrown in and added. So when you start to look for the offers, and we'll share with you in just a minute here some of what the cruise lines are offering, look at everything that they're throwing your way because it can really add up. If you can get unlimited drinks during this, or unlimited Wi-Fi, or some included shore excursions, or sometimes they throw in the gratuities, that can be really significant in your savings. And by the way, we always suggest that you book through a cruise only travel agent because you can get all the deals. And then on top of that, your cruise only travel agent should give you additional discounts or onboard credits. So get everything you can, and you'll even do better if you don't book directly and go through a cruise only agent if you want to save more.
And one of the best things about this being an industry-wide event is all these cruise lines are competing with each other for your cruise.
Every cruise line knows that this is happening now. Every cruise line is going to be emailing if you're on their list with their deals. The sweet spot starts now. It's from January 1st, really through the end of the first quarter. Now, what's going to happen is a lot of things do get booked up. So let me show you just some of what's waiting for you. Carnival definitely has a number of different sales going on right now. Royal Caribbean, for instance, has discounts where I've seen things where they're offering beverage packages, free internet access, sometimes offers on the specialty restaurants. Definitely some exclusive savings on balcony and suite cabins. So you can see really good deals. MSC across the board, we're seeing pretty incredible deals. In fact, I saw a lot of last minute stuff. I want you to know right now, I was looking at a number of different cruise lines on inside cabins. I saw as low as under $130 per cabin per day for two people, by the way. And just so you know, that's your cruise, your taxes, your port fees, and we always include gratuities as well.
Mhm.
If you took that out, yes, it would be under $100 per day. But even with gratuities, under $120 to $130, and quite a few choices available. By the way, on balcony cabins, I saw about $140, maybe $150 for two people, all in, all inclusive, with some extra perks sometimes. And you can start at that price, and not always last minute. Some of these things are 6 months from now, even a year from now. I just saw suites that were under $400 for two people. Norwegian, another great choice, has got a number of different offers going right now. One thing you're going to see too is reduced deposits. So sometimes one of the offers is rather than having to put down $300 or $500, sometimes it only takes $100 or $200 to make your booking. And sometimes they'll even give you risk-free bookings. That's another thing to look for during wave season. Maybe you're not 100% sure you're ready to lock in that booking, but it's really nice when you can make it risk-free. So look for all of those.
If you're enjoying this cruise content, we'd love it if you could like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about how to save money while traveling the world, download our free guide. Just go to the link on the screen and sign up for our free guide. Easy peasy.
or you can use the QR code and that'll take you right to it.
Even river cruising.
Yeah, we
Just
just
for yeah, if you're interested in doing river cruising, check out some of those lines as well.
Yeah, that's a great point. We just got off a Christmas market's river cruise on Viking. Viking's got, as you would imagine, wave season deals as well. I'm on Waterways, which we've sailed on before, love them. They got some pretty amazing deals going right now. If you're into expedition voyages, maybe you've got that Antarctica on the mind.
Mhm.
Same thing, Atlas Ocean can get you there. And again, pretty significant savings overall. Azamara, one of our favorite cruise lines that we've been on a number of times
Mhm.
over the last couple of years. We've got one coming up in 2025. They're offering up to a $1,000 onboard credit, no joke, on sailings. Not all of them, but sailings in 2025 and additional perks as well. Celebrity, again, another one of our favorites. We've got multiple cruises on Celebrity coming up.
We've got a crossing coming up in March.
They're offering deals for 75% off the second gas, additional savings by your stateroom, and sometimes additional inclusions as well. MSC has a higher end, you may not know, a luxury cruise line. It's fairly new called Explora. And no surprise, they're offering discounts on deposits, giving you additional onboard credits. So if you wanted to go upscale a little bit, that would be an opportunity for you. I know in our channel, one of the favorite cruise lines is Holland America. And I've seen things like free upgrades, kids sailing free, reduced deposits. They've got these packages that sometimes include drinks and Wi-Fi and specialty dining. So as you can see, this is just really an amazing time to shop for deals. Oceania, we have a cruise coming up on Oceania this month. We're going to do a Panama Canal cruise.
Yeah.
Once again, choice of perks, sometimes free airfare, drink packages, onboard credits, upgrades to the room. You get the idea, right? It's a pretty common theme here. The things you really want to look for are things like discounts, new additional perks that they're giving you, refundable deposits, lower deposits, third and fourth guests free. Every single cruise line is offering these type of things right now. So it's a good time to look for it, including, like we mentioned, if you're into luxury, like Region 7 Seas, we haven't been on one of these, but they're doing things like suite upgrades, reduced deposits. So really nice across the board. Another luxury cruise line is Seabourn. You can see the competition that's going on between the different cruise lines. Silver Sea, another upscale line, up to 5,000 reasons to sell, receive savings up to $5,000. Now, these are expensive cruises. You're not going to be on Silver Sea for $130 per night, but it is nice to know that whatever you choose, you can save quite a bit.
And if you wanna do a luxury cruise, you might as well save on it.
Yeah, and this might be the time to do it. This could
Could
be the
be.
time to splurge if you can get those type of savings. Virgin, one of our favorite cruise lines, has
Mhm.
got some pretty nice offers where they're offering their bar tab, so up to $300 in free drinks, additional discounts up to 80% on the second guest. Windstar is a cruise line we were on a few times years ago.
Yeah. It's got the sails. It's a very unique, like a yacht style cruise ship, a smaller cruise ship. And we've done that one a few times, the Windstar.
And they've got a few others that are more traditional cruise lines as well. They got a combination of the ones with the sails and
Mhm.
the regular ones, but again, they've got some really nice specials going as well. So the common theme here is book. Book early if you can, because it's going to be popular. A lot of cabins are going to be booked up. So book early, be a little flexible, try to get the best deals. If you're a little flexible on your schedule, you're going to maximize. I always say use a cruise only travel agent. If you want to ask for our agent contact, you can put it in the comments down below. We're more than happy to share those details with you. Always understand the fine print. It's happened to us before too, where we didn't realize that a deposit was not refundable. But usually the cruise line will let us move the deposit to another booking. Just be careful on that if you need to change. Just understand all the policies, because sometimes when they're giving you the amazing deals, they lock you in a little bit.
Yeah.
So really what it comes down to, you got to choose the right cruise for you. We've got a lot of videos in our channel helping you with that.
Mm.
If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. If you're choosing between a few different cruises, we're more than happy to share our experiences with you. We've been on a lot of these cruises, I think 50 or so at this point, and going up every year rapidly. So more than happy to share those experiences with you, because it's a very different experience depending upon the cruise line that you pick. We did a video a while back in our channel. We'll link it here, where we compare all the different cruise lines and what's different about them. So we'll put a link to that in the comments as well. And then you get to do the fun part, which is
Book your shore excursions. And this is another area where you want to be really careful, because if you're not careful, you might spend more on the shore excursions than you spend on the entire cruise. So we've also got a video and some blog content about how to save money on shore excursions.
and also, don't forget to book your flight, because if you book sooner and earlier, you'll get better deals on your flights as well. So if you need to get there to get to a cruise port, just go ahead and get that done earlier.
And not only that, then also watch your email, because the cruise line will be throwing all kinds of deals at you for when you get on board. Look for those spa deals and specialty restaurant deals and everything else that they'll be trying to entice you with booking in advance.
I always tell Monica, unfortunately, the spa is all booked up.
He says
So you have to ignore those
the
emails.
spa's closed.
Yeah.
He's always
Just on our bookings. Don't book one of ours because the spa will be closed.
Mhm.
All right. So all that is left to do is hopefully we've motivated you to start to do some research. If you've been waiting to book something, I hear in 25, thinking about 2026, this is a great time to do it. Look, there's going to be deals all year long. So don't feel like you have to book now or else, but why not take advantage of the fact that there's a lot of competition going right now? There are a lot of great offers. We shared a bunch of them with you really quick, I know, but that's just to show you that there is some deals to be had out there and get them booked. Leave it in the comments down below. If you do book something, we're really excited to share that with you. We want to hear about it. If you don't mind, please give the video a thumbs up. Even more important, subscribe to the channel, wherever that is. Go ahead and do that. That helps us quite a bit. And we've got some really great videos in store here for the next few weeks. So check back for those.
Yep.
And with that,
See you out there.